Ebusia for aha eye Pinax she na medin chia kase and a medema obibia wo hwe me e platform way eso. Samene wo e boywra and summer e koso e wo industry mu at the moment e chese wo beba wonim no bebusa wo se enkosi da ben and a sansem we na eto e betwa. Ebusia for me no wo kase die e ade a Afia Schwar ne gade sisi ade we bie na no aba beka e wo ne live video mu se ade eturo enkwatwere bebia obeda anase bibia enkonkoda dini na ne se ntokwa ono ene ya hye modi ntokwa na nya ade a obeto aso biom na mom sambre ya me no kase die ya ade a Aisha modi die ebusuafo che se o se afei kra na wa hye ase Mobeka ya abra Afia Schwar ono ene Aisha modi entokwa no hye ase no I think beginning or getting to the latter parts of a year last week no no ade a Aisha modi eden sembi ebetu dwa na ne nsem okani na no ene se fia edi ne ho agora ade obema ne ma enta no bebi omuko school ewo Legon no obema ye yomu edi aba betene fie ebusiafo na me no kase won information ewo wiase information aba be kansa ewo hase na emu details no ebe shock o ebebo hu ebi mu kase he Aisha modi ndi ne ho agoro ebi mu so kase o we na eyentro ena ekoso as to whether nia Aisha modi waye na amafo e kan whether eye no kre anasa enye no kre medi ntwam no bebro na medi bro wi a then I will leave you to be the judge of that sanso and a sambre ya me no e kase die yesan ye we Afia Schwar na so de we die abayewa bi ono de oti social media ayo social media user and waba abonti no ba abonti ne ene numie pa and waba tome eye Afia Schwar asuwai wa be side we na no entremu ekrame e wo hase enche medini na ebebro ebusiafo Aisha modi say ono ene Afia Schwar entokwa ne de afi na wa hye ase wow say Afia Schwar say ono de Reverend Obofo ade asat 1 am and ogina no pona no pa na cho se ne ekoso ni na no ontwa so ntesi ade ade a onkasa biom no ade me no kasa so Afia Schwar che ne nsem de bi ono de he afi Aisha modi che ne nsem a afi kra na ne nsem no asori afi kra na ni abre ebusiafo nsem mo wiase o ensem ewo wiase wo bi se omo giden sanko fo menu no Adam Pote and Omoji and Aisha modi among forces a sea de afunomo among forces a sea or casado. Abraham won't talk on a seno a year week ye tremu ya Aisha modi ebe make some wild allegations be now as the allegations were coming no and or they and stem you to your training same one. John and James school no mokono ewo Legon University no mokono ayade omo edi boni bi wo ho na saa boni na saa mfofo menu we edi no wo ho so no Aisha modi or the hujimu a ye be yi nkola na free school because our details no ekra information or the be kwa commerce school for no na se ehu na se etumi hu se saa nkofo boni we na nkofo na dia a okar odor enya de be ma nkofo we etumi atena school mu wo screenshot bi aba beka yensa wa hase star screenshot na beka yensa ne de efri obia camp say ade a efri Aisha modi ankasa camp now according to this screenshot any emu sama ewo mu no na che say conversation akoso between school mu one penifo ni bi ene Afia Schwar snega omo aka boni ankola ne edi ye akire Afia na Afia pa omo acho say nia omo yanam de opamacho ne ankola ne ye bia waje atum na emom no ema omo yi ankola ne edi embetena fie ebusuafo ne wonwa e sa screenshot we mu na amafo ina kasa fa ho ene say according to screenshot here what has here in Chamakan Amonwi nimpa na one e kind of saying one Afia Schwar edi nkomo no ka kire Afia Schwar say one de her hands or his or her hands are tied onto me yan hwe nemum nimpa at the moment one no kasa insem no mu be jemu amanaka enye obi ase Aisha modi ebusiafo and some do and some wiase Afia Schwar was one man in saso but idea Aisha modi di ochiremo afekra and a washa ase ebusiafo yenko ha and some bia Aisha modi abayo no waba abetrotro edi ato ni page on Instagram so what share screens no so a obi say wait and that what say emfonyi no this is the conversation Aisha take a screenshot now the ababeto ni page na so what share obi say how come send say account comedy no tumu say nimpa no na oni Afia Schwar di nkomo wi no what screenshot na odi asende Aisha modi hono na Aisha modi e di abeto ni page a nkomo twetwe no ne ekoso ne ewie so the caption de be ma no e de be bro say contact the Aisha lady And I just reply by say, I already told you I will take care of this whole thing. I will contact the university this week. Please have patience. And a nipa neba catcher and say, I understand, but contact her. And also if you neba trying to say, I don't want to be dragged to the mud, please. I have accepted all said so far. Please bear with me, please. I have family, please. And I just say, and nipa kwano catcher and say, do what I say and no one will hear. Also, I have a request, but not now. And no respond to the and say, God, can I call you? And the nipa say, not yet. Or the two we you know. And Aisha at the caption way at was say 48 hours, mother. No, the word no so. I'm her downfall in GH, and I am not hiding it from the public. 1 month. Damn me, blackmailers. I want her kids back home. It's 48 hours. 48 hours. My white men are ready to change Ghana. And Mr. Man, Fufunu, I'm a wrong meat for you. You would do a press statement telling the whole nation what you fools did. I want Fufunu's kids back home. Simple. I'm blackmailing you people right in public with serious evidence. Yeah. Do you fools think I'm your classmate? And here one poster or be make yen or or day a year screenshot back so ever to the page. I won't say we ask any panel and a friend and in friend no and a which a color ID no color ID or that to the page. Now what sign the caption we to us say, big man, stop calling and do what I have asked you to do. Simple. Aisha Modi, the public blackmailer. You will learn sense next time. You will watch who to pick a fight with. Afia, come out to 48 hours and 1 month. I'm done with you. When I finish with you, I will deal with your feeding mother, Tracy. I'm too much of a powerful woman than honor. I repeat, the connections I have is beyond government. Listen carefully. Politics, blackmailers, beef commissioner Bakope, Madam Evidence and Proof. You can't guy a zongo wise lady. Aisha can jail you and your big men for life. Damn me, 1,078 proofs. Fufunu's children are coming home. Whatever has made you Fufunu so powerful in Ghana has been destroyed by Obapa Yamudi. Afia, I can even jail all your big men if I want with 2 minutes. Ask them. Just that I'm not like you. No one in Ghana can dare me, including your government. If we don't mind you fools, doesn't mean we are weak. Big thanks to my white investigation team. We are the royal defenders of truth. At John Mahama Daily, my Mr. President, who do you want to jail in Ghana? Just tell me, and 1 minute I will give you evidence. I know you and so much say Aisha Modi edi abeton de. Then some all can say hey Ghana for mopa mumbo nechi 1,000 times. Mopa mumbo nechi 2,000 times. On the no osia ne say osia ni na and say obema ye the Afia Schwar nega ne mano abefie. No obi bu say how did Aisha Modi do it? It was your for a question I meant to cry am tie me bisa. Enti Aisha Modi obekire kwan of fa so etumi ayeside way na see ade o say or white investigators be or more investigations no. Enti ya be hwɛ saa white investigator de omudin ene omubibia ne ensenya kapɛ ye de bebro e wo ha sei. Me to amensam no so de a ebusuafo na me wie na me san akoso biom e wo Afia Schwar nega na no so biom na na me no ka say de abayiwe bi o social media friend ho eye Princess X ena kyese waba abonte oba abonte ne otum se odi ebufuo pa ena ode kasa na obi say abayiwe ne how ni na no ene sen abayiwe ba abonte de ne nsem oka ni na ne say hey Afia Schwar de erade ni wo be time papa o kire Afia Schwar ni wo be time papa na ne enti abayiwe de kasa asem ni na no ebusuafo won hyada wo hu na mom according to ensem a mewo e wo mensem ha say no o kire kra Nancy, the reason why they cast assembly now is or try if you're sure or in impa bank. And now, we sorry, I know when you way any iron young corn. I dear China Chester would win you or before frost or air contour, and as only sign in Panaso, air contour. It's according to Sir by any dear princess city, only the Afia Schwar personal on Yenish name, no. Nene be any suban be any she. And she pass if yes were to me sorry with social media and not knowing your question and let you say what babon ting but savior or no beef. Ni now and it's a blogger back could be any coffee of Afia Schwar a post been a book posted to the page. So we some if you actual I was a picture no posting or say my dad said since we are in Accra, I should suspend an Ejiwa and use na jata 1 aka try me eno ye nsam a efia ede beto na chese nam sansam we so e na abayewa anidi ede princess ede nsam ye ho wo screen susui ede beto wo say efia de ni wo be tanyo apu eno ye nsam ode beto wo no e na abayewa bi o friend ho efia ka chen so oh don't say that abra abayewa ne ka chen so don't say that no e na o kire mu a sister now what should I say nipa ben krani today she's praising you the next day she's tarnishing your name eno ye nsam a che say e course so abayewa di aba beto wo tumu sen nsam e koso ndi ono kwa ne nya ono ne ne ku ntokwa na emu wa frustrated papa nti o kire mu a he efia owo pa edi owo ne de ne ebeye time papa yie wey any information and as a way ensem bia aba ka yensa e wo Pinax ya kachi ha sei